What's up, YouTube? You guys haven't seen me for a long time. I wasn't doing any videos due to some health issues I had, but I am recovering very well, thank God. So this video is basically about the CDJs and how you can't control stems with it. It doesn't have stems. It's not built into the CDJs. So the way I get around that is I don't like to use software with these. I don't like to run Serato or DJ or virtual DJ or any of the record box. I can. They're very capable of controlling software, but these are more for standalone. These are made to be used standalone. But I do like the stems. I do like using stems on software, but the way I work around that is any songs that I want to use the a cappella or the beat or the bass or the melody from that particular song, what I do is I run it through Serato Studio, which has stems as well. And I just record the file or export it. If it's the a cappella, the beat, or the melody, whatever part I want. And if you just want a certain section, you can just cut it down, make it a smaller file, and label it properly so that way you can find it. And then what I do is I run it through Rekordbox and I put it inside of a folder in my thumb drive that says stems. So all my music that's separated by stems, it will be in that stems folder in Rekordbox. And that's the way I do it. And then when I need it, it's right there. It's already beat gridded, analyzed. It's already separated, whatever it is, the a cappella, the beat, melody, bass line, whatever it is, it's already done there. And I know it sounds good because if it doesn't sound good, I'm not going to put it on that folder. You know how when you're doing that lives, you're not sure if Serato if that song is going to work well with stems. Not all songs work perfectly with stems, which you already know, I'm sure, if you've messed around with stems. So this is a good way of doing it. It just takes a little time ahead of time. You have to take a little time to make those folders and get your acapellas that way. But I think it's better because you know what you have already. You're not guessing while you're doing an event live and you're using stems and what's coming out of the speakers is garbage. So you don't want that. So that's the way I do it. And I get to use my CDJs in standalone, not controlling the software. Because I love the software, but if I'm going to use CDJs, I might as well get a controller to use software. I think these CDJs are better than that. So that's just my opinion. All right, and that's the way I do it, okay? So everybody have a good night. Continue DJing. Take care of yourselves. All right, and God bless. Bye-bye.